Hello, welcome back to Bird Homes. Once again, we made a new customized cage as per customer requirements. Just kindly watch our design. It's a house model, 4 feet cage, height 4 feet, and length will be 3 feet, and depth will be 2 feet. House model cages, including clean tray we have given, and feeding cups, and inside also moving patches. And downside we given wheels also for this. You can rotate it easily also. Including clean tray also we given. You can easily clean and thank you for watching, friends. Kindly please visit our Bird Homes channel. YouTube channel is there, in Instagram also, and please share your friends also. Thank you for watching. Have a great day. Bye bye.